Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here with another stitch tutorial. This stitch tutorial features the triangle mesh stitch, which is an awesome breathable stitch for this summer. It will be one of the many stitches that I'll be showing off throughout the month of July and into August. So if you don't want to miss out on awesome future content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you don't miss out. Without further ado, we're going to jump into this tutorial. The triangle mesh stitch is a 2-row repeat and it features chaining and treble crochets. That's about it. This stitch is perfect for market bags and garments of sorts. So if you're into making summer cardigans, this might be the stitch pattern for you. Or if you're into making market bags, that might also be great for you paired with a cotton yarn or a bamboo cotton yarn. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to grab my crochet hook here and get my yarn out. Alright, we are going to start with a slip knot, and for this we are going to be chaining in multiples of 6. We're going to add an additional 1, and then to the foundation row we're going to add an additional 6. So for my swatch, I believe I chained a total of 25. I did 18 stitches, I added 1, and then I added 6. So I'm going to do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright. Now that I have my 25 chains, I am going to single crochet into the 10th chain from my hook. So not this loopy that I'm pulling on, but I'm going to start here and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to place a regular single crochet right into that chain. Alright, now what we want to do is chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We are going to skip 2 stitches, or 2 chains rather. 1, 2, and we are going to treble crochet into that 3rd chain. So we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that gives us our first triangle. Now we are going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. And I am going to skip 2 stitches again. 1, 2. And we are going to single crochet into that 3rd chain over. Just like that. And that gives us another triangle. This first row is going to look a little wonky, so if they don't look like triangles right now, that is perfectly okay. Alright, now we are going to repeat this process over the length of our chain. So I'm going to chain up 3 again. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip 2 chains. 1, 2, and I'm going to treble crochet into that 3rd one. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, create a treble crochet. If you're unfamiliar with the different stitch heights in crochet, I do have several back to basic tutorials on my channel if you want to check those out for a little extra clarification. Alright, I'm going to now chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and I'm going to single crochet into that 3rd stitch over. Alright, now I'm going to chain 3, and this will put me at the end of my row. And so what I'm going to do here, after I skip 1, 2 stitches, this 3rd chain, which is my last chain, I'm going to treble crochet into it. Alright, and this is what row 1 looks like. Row 2, we are going to first of all chain 1, turn our work so we can go back the other way. We are going to skip this stitch, this treble crochet that our chain 1 is coming out of, and we are going to chain 2. Okay, and then we are going to skip 3 chains, so you're not going to work into these chains coming down to this single crochet. You are going to now treble crochet into the single crochet from the previous row, right there. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into that single crochet from the previous row, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that gives us our first triangle of the second row. Now we are going to chain 2. 1, 2. We are going to now skip these 3 chains, and we are going to single crochet into the top of that treble crochet from the previous row. And that is our repeat until we get to the last stitch. So again, chaining 2. And you might, just a little pro tip, you might want to chain fairly loosely so that you don't have odd looking triangles in your pattern. Alright, after we chain 2, we are going to treble crochet into the top of that single crochet from the previous row. Chain 2. After we chain our 2, we're going to skip these 3 chains coming back up to this treble crochet, and we are going to single crochet into the top of that. So basically for row 2, you are single crocheting into treble crochets, and you're treble crocheting into single crochets all the way across. Now we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and treble crochet into the top of that single crochet. Now we're going to chain 2. After we have chained our 2, what we're going to do is look at this end once we reach the end of our row, and we are going to count over 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. We are going to single crochet into that 4th chain stitch. Alright, and that completes row 2. Alright, on to row 3. We're going to chain up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you turn your work so we can go back towards the other way. Oops. And what we're going to do is we are going to skip this single crochet that our chain 7 is coming out of and the 2 chain stitches that come after it, and we are going to single crochet on the top of that treble crochet from row 2. Just like that. Alright, then we're going to chain 3. We are then going to skip these next 2 chains here, and we are going to treble crochet on the top of that single crochet from the previous row. Now I'm going to chain 3. 3. We're going to skip these 2 chains, and we are going to single crochet on the top of that treble crochet from the previous row. Now I'm going to chain 3 again. 2, 3. Skip these 2 chains, and we are going to treble crochet on top of that single crochet from the previous row. And you would continue this pattern all the way across until you reach the end of your row. And then to finish your row, you are going to chain up 3. And you are going to treble crochet on top of that single crochet from the previous row to end this off. Oops. Treble crochet, guys, don't double crochet. You would continue repeating rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length of your project. I hope today's video was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on other awesome summer tutorials I have coming up. I look forward to sharing these ideas with you guys. Don't forget to check me out on other social media, including Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. And until next time, guys, happy making.